Hello guys, welcome to Tech tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get girl in Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to add in here another element. Put in here water, and on this water, put another water. Now we have lake. Now in here, put in here fire, and then on this fire, put another fire. Now we have volcano. Merge those two together, we have island. Add another island for this one. Now we have continent. So for this, let's head over and add in here earth. And on this earth right here, let's add another earth. Now we have mountain. So merge those two together again, we have Asia. So let's add in here island again, and then we have Japan. So for this, let's add water below, and let's put fire on that water. Now we have steam. So let's put Japan on the steam, or steam on Japan. Now we have anime. So since we already have that, next thing we need to do is put it aside for now. Now let's head over and add in here earth, and then let's add in here wind. Now we have dust. Let's add another earth for that. Now we have planet. So for this planet, let's add another wind, and then from that, let's add another dust to the wind, and now we have sandstorm. Merge sandstorm to the planet, or planet to sandstorm, then we have Mars. So let's head over and add in here earth, and on this earth let's add in here water. Now we have plant, merge that to Mars, potato, then let's add fire to the potato. Now we have chip. Let's add another fire for that. Now we have cookie. So since we already have cookie right here, let's merge cookie to anime. Now we have grow. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.